Hey everyone, this is Mark, and in this video we're checking out a smartphone mount for your bike. The unit itself is built very well. It's made out of plastic but is very solid and durable. There is also rubber in the phone mount so that your device doesn't get scratched. There's more to this than just a phone holder. We also get a compass in case you don't know where you're going and a light. The compass is really not the best. It only really works when the unit is laying flat. When it's placed up and down, it tilts to the side and doesn't move. However, the light is really nice. There are 3 modes to it: solid, fast flashing, and slow flashing. With the integration of the light, it really eliminates the need for any additional equipment. Since this is meant for a bike, it has to be very strong and durable, and this is. To mount it on a bike, you will need the included screwdriver, which has the weirdest connector I have ever seen. It's so unique that unless someone has that screwdriver, no one is stealing it. To mount your phone, you need to turn the giant knob on the back to unlock it. Then you can expand the clamp and place your device inside. Once you get it in, turn the knob to lock it in place. My only complaint is that even when fully tightened, you can still open the clamp a little and your phone could fall out. Not something you want to do when you're riding your bike down a road. In case the angle of the phone isn't quite right, you can also loosen the knob on the side. This will also allow you to pivot, tilt, and angle the phone in any direction you want. So, should you get this? Well, this little phone clamp is built really well. It's sturdy and looks good. Other than my minor complaints, including the weird compass, it is a good buy and I do recommend it. Links will be in the description if you want to learn more. If you have any questions about it, be sure to let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with @Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.